there is an office in Bhopal. And since my mother was suffering from cancer, it was very important for me to come down to Bhopal. Somehow I managed. And most important thing is, at the time when I was really needed to be there with my mom, Anup sir was there who helped me out. And these are the moments which I would always remember during my life. Because I know the value of how important it is to be with your mom in her last days. It wouldn't have been possible if Anup sir wouldn't have given me that kind of permission and something. So seriously, from the bottom of my heart, I'm really indebted. Secondly, the kind of opportunities which Anup sir gave me, I guess these kind of opportunities I wouldn't have got anywhere else.
No, I just love to shut off my work, so that I can take a normal sleep here. So basically that's the way I just shut off the work to others. They will just get that done, and my work goes.
Right, sir. But I enjoy something. You gave me that opportunity, so I really feel good about those things. So I'm really happy. Coming back to Shailendra sir, my first supervisor, after coming from ILP, I was still a college kid because it's like you do not learn professionalism. He initially helped me in learning professionalism. Many a times I, cursed him like anything. It's a day when I need to be very frank. Reasons are professional. I don't take them personal because sometimes there are conflicts of thought and that is quite possible. But as a person, I highly appreciate him. Whenever I required his help or whenever I was supposed to be corrected, at that time I felt bad. But now I realize that hadn't he corrected me at that time, I wouldn't have been that good in a certain area. So really thankful for his guidance, direction, mentoring and everything. Manu sir has been my first teacher. Whatever PL, SQL and technical I know, single-handedly this person is responsible. So I guess for the whole life, whatever I'll be doing in PL, SQL, Manu sir is responsible for it. Sarfaraz bhai, a very good roommate I must say. As a person, you can really not find a person like him. He is really caring, although that is a different part of his personality which we hardly know, but that's a fact. Feroz bhai, I never had that much of interaction, but yes, quite good we are. Prakhar I always appreciated. Reason being is, I always felt that people from finance background are very much into finance and everything like that. Like when I talk to Ravi sir, there is always credit, debit, liability and all. But with Prakhar it's not the case. He take things to the level of ours and then we discuss. So kind of good. Amit, I must highly appreciate whatever knowledge I had of HRMS. That was very limited. I came to know about it when I came over here. And his guidance in HRMS and the kind of freedom he gave me to do things of my own, that is unparalleled. So I was really happy to work with him and I learned so many things from him. Deepak bhai was there at the client side in Bhopal. Many a times we had arguments and something like that professionally. But at the personal level, we are really good people, friends I must say. And one thing I would say that the kind of job I'm going into right now, the genesis is Deepak. Because he told me that in case if you really want to go, this is one opportunity. And that is the only job I applied and there was just a single post. I never thought that I would clear it, but it happened. So I'm very much thankful to Deepak also. Paresh sir, in this small amount of time I learned so many things. He is really sharp in terms of catching things, which is really important. And if I would have worked for some more time, I would have learned so many things. Manish sir, I know as a person from my native place, because when I joined Bhopal project, it's like he was from Bevar and I was from Manpuri. So that was the first bonding which we had. As a person, he is a really nice person. Vikalp, I initially understood him as a person who is a quite introvert kind of person, never speak with people and those kind of things. But in the end, when I spent some days, I found him a very interesting guy. Altogether different ideas about a certain thing which you just can't even think of. I guess I covered Dheeraj. Yes. Chinky. Chinky is, you joined on 6th of February, I guess, right?
January.
February or January, whatever. So, the first people, when you were about to come over here, I was the person responsible for your accommodation and everything. So, you, Pratyush and Akanksha, you three people came together and I considered you, that kind of thing, that you might not be knowing things as you are a fresher. Since I was also a fresher, joined this project, did not know many things. But you were good enough already. So that's a good quality of you. Keep it up, keep yourself updated, and the kind of responsibilities you're handling right now in finance module, highly appreciable. Dheeraj, my roommate since the time in Bhopal project, me, Rishabh and Dheeraj are always used to be on a single bike, irrespective of how tight the traffic police checking is. So this is the kind of bonding which we have. Although if I start speaking about him, it would take, some nights to talk about. So I'll restrict myself. So that's all about you, all of you people. Nitin sir, the most satisfied person I was. I always used to question that, sir, what are your future plans and what you want to do in your life? He said, boss, I'm quite satisfied. Sir, on-site nahi jana kya? On-site chahiye hi nahi apne. For an IT professional, it's absolutely the opposite of what you can expect. So, highly contented, I really want to be like him because satisfaction is one level which is very difficult to attain. And this person has attained that. And then your mind's stable. So, one of the qualities which we must appreciate and learn. Whatever you are doing, be satisfied with that job. Although, for ambitious people, it's not good. But yes, putting your best in the work, that comes. We all have seen the kind of time, the time which we take in terms of developing one form, he is 100 or 200% more efficient than all of us. So, that comes because of these things. Thank you so much. I'll really miss. And as I mentioned in my mail that one chatterbox and a verbose person is going now, you can experience some silence. I was the person who speak a lot. So you can experience some silence and this world is very small. You never know, I may join back. I'm very much looking forward to join back as soon as I get married. And I promise one thing, if I land up into Ahmedabad, Bangalore or Kolkata, I'll first of all come down to Indore and we'll have a party at Sayaji. It's a promise, right? It's just like, let me clear that because that is what I want to do. I want to open a school in Vidisha and for that purpose that is an input.
Let's do sharing right now.
Right? Sir, that I don't know whether I'll clear. So thank you so much.
Thanks.
Okay.
All the best.
Thanks, Ali. Thank you.